Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer property tax records using Cook County Clerk, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer property tax records using the Cook County Clerk, begin by visiting the Cook County Clerk's official website. Locate the section dedicated to property tax records. Review the available resources to understand the requirements for transferring property tax records. Gather all necessary documentation related to the property, including the most recent tax bill. Make sure you have proof of ownership, such as a deed or title. Access the online property tax portal provided by the Cook County Clerk. Enter the required property information, including parcel number and property address. Follow the prompts to find the tax records you wish to transfer. Choose the appropriate option for transferring records based on your needs. Complete any requested forms accurately, ensuring that all information is correct and up to date. Submit the required forms electronically through the portal if applicable. If a physical submission is required, print the forms and gather any additional documents. Visit the Cook County Clerk's office if in-person submission is necessary. Speak with a representative if you have any questions or need assistance during the process. Keep a record of all submitted documents and any confirmation you receive. Wait for confirmation of the transfer, which may be sent via email or standard mail. Check back on the online portal periodically to confirm the updates to your property tax records. You have successfully initiated the transfer of property tax records through the Cook County Clerk. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.